Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 1st, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain. Jigsaw Sudoku with 9 printed digits. This one, I'm looking forward to solve this one. And the binary puzzle. Yes, the binary puzzle. It's time for the binary puzzle. It's binary time. And this one will be number 8825. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. That's a lot. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means that in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Yeah. The double O's. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double one. Here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 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 Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the last column. So the rest are O's. Double 1. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O here, 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O here, 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Finished in 2 minutes. Well. This one is real quick to solve without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. Jigsaw Sudoku with 9 printed digits. It's very rare with 9 printed digits. Should be a hard one. Alright? See you then. Bye bye for now.